Mosadi wadi koti maraming ubuhali Kibatela wena fela wana warahade Akisa seba khore kwetsa kala kunabele My kuta akaho wena wanesu uhadile
Beautifully located on a double stand overlooking the estate's signature 13th hole Greg Norman designed golf course. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Let's Prop In. If this is your first time, my name is sibiya. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most extraordinary homes in and around South Africa. Today, as you can see behind me, is a very special episode. We find ourselves at the Eye of Africa estate, one of your guys' favorite estates, which I've seen from the comments. Behind me is an architectural masterpiece. I'm so excited to show you guys this beautiful home brought to you by LP Realty in collaboration with Pam Golding. This is about to be a very exciting home, so grab a coffee, grab a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's prop in. Right, as we start this tour, approaching this property, you're greeted by this neat paved way, and as you can see, Aiden, this is just magnificent. The architecture here is incredible, and we're really gonna take our time on today's episode because there's so many details that we're gonna share with you guys. As you can see, 4-car garage for those car enthusiasts, but if you have a few more cars, there's plenty of space on the external facade or the external area, front yard of this property. This is a very, very large property situated on a double stand, which is about 1,800 square meters, so it's of palatial scale. And as we approach the main home, as you can see, it's a concoction of different textures and materials, which we'll see a play on that as we enter inside. You'll see a lot of different textures, such as this bamboo cladding, timber cladding around, mixed with glass, steel, and stone. It's a mixture of materials which creates such a balanced internal and external space. And one thing which there isn't a shortage of is art installation as you enter a dramatic art installation piece. Join me on the inside, and greeting me as the stunning reception entry landing. And as we enter, we're greeted by the stunning double volume area, such a dramatic entrance emphasized by this floor to ceiling glass, giving you this natural lighting. But as we come in front of us and joining me here, you're greeted by the stunning powder room. As far as powder rooms go, this is one of the best that we've seen in terms of the use of materials. Your eye is immediately drawn to this beautiful marble accent wall, the veins, the golden textures, the white, the light. It's such a beautiful use of walling to juxtapose the wall that's in front of us, and then suspended from the ceiling we have this beautiful rose gold suspended chandeliers, or light fixtures rather. It's such a balanced space where you have different materials, different textures playing on together, and as a guest you'll probably spend more time than what's necessary in this room. And coming towards you guys here and flowing into this open plan living at its best, I think your eye is immediately drawn to the view that we have around here, but we'll get to that. Really gonna take our time through this. And as we approach the stunning chef's kitchen, one detail which is prominent throughout and a continuation of this is the play on different textures. In front of us we have this marble topping juxtaposed by the bamboo textures. It's such a balanced space caused by these different textures and materials, and I love the use of glass behind us. You have this tinted glass which you can see through, giving you this luxe feel that you have throughout. And then to my left we have the smeg oven. I love the detailing and the cabinetry work throughout, plenty of cabinetry work. And as we flow this side, in front of us a smeg gas hob. It's such a stunning space to be in, and it is open concept, which allows you to still be able to interact, family, friends, gathering. I can even imagine myself in terms of inviting guests here. It's just a phenomenal space to be in. Further to my right, we have more cabinetry space, additional real estate in terms of island space, and then we have the stunning continuation of the backsplash marble finish. So stunning in a cohesive space. And then we have scullery, pantry area, just for your excess food storage. Beautiful detail here that we have is this. Firstly, this is something I didn't see first, Aiden. We have this very cool pop-up plug here. These are always necessary.
100%. Any work from home space needs something like that, eh?
Literally, if you're trying to get your emails downstairs, this is perfect for that. A detail which I didn't see first is this beautiful assembly here, how you have these two countertop spaces and this vertical member just supporting each other, creating such a beautiful detail to look at. To my right, we have a playroom which you can use as a study. We won't go in there for this episode, but in front of us, flowing onto this stunning lounge area, bolstered by this floor to ceiling sliding doors. A detail, Aiden, which I actually love is when you look at floor to ceiling sliding doors and you don't see the top rail due to the suspended ceiling. It's such a small detail, but it creates such a perfect view to look at because you see less of the frame essentially.
Yeah, such neat lines for sure.
Definitely, and you'll see a lot of lines here. And as you can see, a very cozy, comfortable furniture, and this light purple couch surprisingly fits very well here. To my left, TV assembly, continuation of the bamboo finish, and then this flows on to the outside area, but we'll go on to that later. Then heading back that side towards you guys, we have this very stunning area here. This is such a cozy space where I can see myself spending a lot of time, and you have these two couch setups here with this table, and it just this rug underneath here connects the space so well, creating a very inviting and warm feeling. And then while you are here, we have this floor to ceiling sliding doors, bring you natural lighting here. And then to my left, open shelving, bamboo finish, such a beautiful space. And then to my left, we have this fireplace with this marble cladding throughout. And then in the winter months, I'm sure this goes off. And as we enter into the internal space of this entire great room, as you look above us, we have this bulkhead hedging this entire room, and also has cove lighting for that opulent feeling in this entire room. If you look in front of us, guys, this is a very stunning formal dining room table. Even with the textures here, you have this timber finish here, complemented by this marble-like finish in the surrounding areas. It's such a magical table. I mean, we've seen a couple of tables on this channel, and this is probably one of my favorite, just due to the materials that are used. It's perfect, man. You can see I'm geeking here. But yeah, we'll finish that and head over to the built-in bar area. As you can see, entertainment area is an abundance here. Plenty of countertop real estate, and then behind me, open shelving, and then you can display your choice of liquor beautifully for your guests. And as you guys meet me this side, you'll see that there is a perfectly placed piano here. And if I could, I would play for you guys, but Aiden, can you play?
I can't, eh? I can pretend if you want, man.
No, I actually put you on the spot there. My bad. But you have this beautifully placed piano here. Large window opening, natural lighting, and as you look around this beautiful room, the amount of natural lighting here is just incredible. And then in front of us, lounge area here, and this comfortable furniture emphasizes and complements the space so well. And as we head outside here, I did speak about this floor to ceiling sliding doors. You can open them all the way out, especially on a day like this. This is Johannesburg, South Africa, peak summer season. It's just beautiful days all around. In front of us here, we have this beautifully decked outdoor area. You can put soft furniture just to increase that entertaining aspect of this home. In front of us, infinity edge pool complemented by a sunken fire pit. And as we look here, guys, this is one of my favorite estates. As you can see, some of the homes here are just architecturally such interesting homes to look at, and we are situated on a, as I've said, a double volume stand which is overlooking the 13th hole of the signature golf course designed by Greg Norman. So this is a very special home. And as we finish this bottom floor, very beautiful elements to look at. And now meet me upstairs where we'll see the bedrooms. coming up these marble finished off staircases. This is such an incredible moment just to stop and appreciate some of the details here. Behind me, we have this large Audrey Hepburn artwork here, commanding so much presence in this beautiful special moment. And then on the adjacent walling, we have this infrared glazing, introducing that natural lighting into this otherwise very large area here. And as we approach this landing on the first floor, you'll see the use of glass throughout is just so strategical in terms of giving you that illusion or emphasizing that spacious feel of this entire area. Floor to ceiling windows, as I've mentioned, but then you have this dramatic double volume area here. And then behind me, starting this side to my right, we have a linen closet. In front of us, we do have a first bedroom currently being used as a storage room, but I just want to show you guys the stunning bathroom here. As you enter this bathroom, it's such a magical space here, emphasized and complemented by this large window glass opening here, bringing you natural lighting and giving you these incredible views on the front side of the property. In front of us, we have this geo egg-shaped bathtub. I'm sure I'd enjoy a bath or two here. In front of us, floating vanity cabinetry work here with a soft close finish, blue motion sandware throughout this home. And then behind us, we do have this large shower, blue motion sandware, and a very large rainwater shower head. Heading back to the landing and going into the first bedroom to my right. As you enter here, the views are incredible. Floor to ceiling, sliding doors, giving you this insane view of this entire estate. This room is currently being used as the kids' room, but to my right, you can see plenty of cabinetry work here as it flows outside onto this large balcony. See-through balustrades, frameless, giving you these endless views of the downstairs entertainment area. But from here, I think you have this beautiful view of the golf course. It's quite a tough shot that you can make from there. I think we should probably hop on the golf course when we're done here. Heading towards you guys here, and to my left, just to show you the bathroom ensuite. There is aircon, not to fail to mention that. Floating vanity here and a beautiful detail. We do have this skylight features above us, giving you this natural lighting while you are enjoying your moment, having a beautiful shower. You can also have a view of the stars at night. Beautiful finish there. I just want to take time just to appreciate this finish that we have here. We have this textured tiles surrounding this entire shower. It's just the play on different textures and materials here. As I've said, I think I'm repeating myself, but it truly is an amazing feeling that it gives all the spaces that it occupies. Heading back to the landing and heading to the main bedroom. Entering the main bedroom, a continuation of the high quality finishes throughout. If you look above us, we do have the suspended ceiling with this bulkhead and cove lighting to give you that ambient feeling. As we enter here, very spacious. I mean, the positioning of this bed, looking at the view outside, it's just incredible. But starting first with the walk-in closet. With the walk-in closet, there's so many details here which are just incredible. Looking above us here, we have this. We've never quite seen it like this. We have this skylight play on here with these beams in between the skylights. It's so beautiful. The amount of natural lighting just piercing through all these skylights. It's incredible, and it just brings out the white finish around all these cabinetry panels. This gloss white finish is emphasized by the light coming from the skylights. And then in front of us, we do have a centerpiece here with ample storage facilities. And then as you guys can see behind me, in terms of storage, you'll never complain. But as we progress towards you guys, this is probably one of my favorite bathrooms that we've seen, just due to the textures, the materials. It's just phenomenal. But starting to my left, we do have a built-in makeup station with this large mirror finish. To my left, open shelving with this bamboo finish throughout. And then to my right, double vanity here with this floating cabinetry work, large mirror in front of us. And then we do have the stunning sandware here, blue motion, such a sleek finish to your sunway, and then soft close as always. Behind this and to my left, this bath setup here, again with this large window opening. Here we do have a beautiful view of this architectural detail, the beam here just giving you views of this front yard space. And then in front of us, a very large walk-in shower, neat outlet, and then the finish as well throughout is stunning marble. One detail which is maybe a small detail, but shows the amount of detail or the amount of effort was put into the design of this entire setup, is having the sunway and tap fixture not underneath the rainwater shower head. In that way, you'll need to get wet first while opening up the shower, which is just something small, but it goes a long way in terms of the user experience. Adjacent to this wall, we do have opening here just to give you that natural lighting and a bit of a view while you're showering. Coming towards you guys now having the view of this entire bedroom area. To my right, we have the bed. To my left, we have this floor to ceiling sliding doors. Throughout this entire bedroom here, we do have these sliding doors. I mustn't forget to mention that there is aircon in this room, but we have sliding doors which can open all the way up. And the fact that we do have a corner here allows you just to have a full view of this entire golf course. And heading outside here, it's the balcony space. Wrapping around this entire balcony, we do have the see-through balustrade giving you these endless views. From here, you can see some of the beautiful homes and the developments happening in and around this estate. This is, as I've said in the beginning, one of my favorite estates, and just bringing this to a close. Thank you so much to getting this far into the video. If you did enjoy it, go down, subscribe, comment down below which was your favorite area, and don't forget, if you are interested in this property, go down, the link is in the description. I was so honored and glad to bring you this property by Let's Propin in collaboration with Pam Golding. As I've said, all the details will be down in the description. So from us at Let's Propin to you guys, we'll see you on the next one.